I think when adults are looking to have orthodontic treatment, of course, one of the concerns is the price point of the treatment. There is a huge variation between how much you can pay for treatment, but one of the concerns is that actually it's not just about the price, it's what you're getting for that money. And I think it's important that when people are looking at accessing orthodontic treatment, when they're looking to have their teeth straightened, they're very clear about what that money will get them. Whilst sometimes the treatment can seem to be a large expense, if that treatment is including everything that you need, like your x-rays, your retainers, all the treatment and the input of lots of clinicians and qualified members of staff, then that is good value for money. Sometimes a cheaper, in inverted commas, treatment may not give you the result that you're looking for, and it can almost be a false economy. So I think it's really, really important that when you are looking to have brace treatment, you understand what you're getting for that money.